Hey Eli, this is Daki Espinoza from MassivFlyingBillboards.com. We had the opportunity to speak the other day. I want to thank you first and foremost for allowing me to send this video out to you. I know you said that you was pretty slammed at the moment, but this video would be very beneficial if you're looking to maximize your traffic and grow your business online in the near future, or will any long-term results. So real quickly today, I'll be showing you 3 tips you can do yourself to compete and beat out your local competition and bring more customers to your business. This short video is just a bit of research and some pointers for you guys, what you can use today to really optimize your traffic. And if you're able, I just really appreciate if you can send me some feedback, whether it be via email, text, or phone call. I really appreciate it. I just love to know you guys' thoughts on this screencast. In addition, if you have any questions or concerns for me, please do not hesitate to reach out. So to begin, the first thing I want to focus on is content, which is basically a description of anything that you see on your website, as far as text, images, what those images are saved as. If you have any videos, what those videos are saved as. And I see you have a very beautiful layout. You have a nice layout on the site. I think the site looks pretty cool. You have some good quality photos. You have a very impressive gallery as well. You have a very unique logo. So from a design perspective, you guys are definitely on the right track. It just might be a good idea to add some more text to your front page. Google usually wants to see about 1,500 keywords on your front page, and as you can see, if we put you guys into this word count, you guys have about 211 words, and these are one of your competitors, NJ Gutter, and if we put them into this word count, they have 589 words. Now, they're not doing their job as far as like being an authority, so you can go ahead out there and beat them easily in that matter. You just want to make sure you have 1,500 to 2,000 words. The significance of this content is that you want to be able to add buyer intent keywords. Now, this is a software I love to use. It's called Ahrefs. Now, this gives me the back end of a company's website. So from top to bottom, you see that you have a title tag here. So basically, this title tag also should be optimized for keywords. So you should have maybe a gutter repair New Jersey somewhere within this title tag, because this allows Google to crawl your page and to rank you for that search term. So as you can see, you have no data here, you don't have any backlinks and so forth and so on, but don't worry, that's an easy quick fix, and this is why I'm shooting this video for you today. So if you can see, these are one of your competitors, and also these are one of your competitors. So if we go into the back end of NJ Gutter, you'll see that they're ranking for 240 keywords. They have a traffic value of 182 calls or searches per month, which is very immense. And trust me, it'd be easy to go out here and beat them. As you can see, these numbers here are supposed to be a 1-to-1 variable, but they're not adding up, which indicates to me that the website has a weak foundation. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go on your website, you want to write your content, and you want to put buyer intent keywords. An example of a keyword would be if we were to type into Google NJ Gutter Repair, right? So you see this first section is the ad section, and people typically skip these because a lot of people have ad blockers and some people have bad experiences with ad. They often overlook. This is where the power comes in at. There's map section and this organic section. So we're speaking about this organic section at the moment. So you see when I type this in, these are some of your competitors that popped up. And trust me, it's going to be easy, real easy to beat these guys out. Just go ahead, all state gutters, right? So I'll go ahead and look at the back page of these guys. You can see that they're probably not ranking for, they're not probably doing as good as well. So we see how much words they're ranking for. And this would be just another aspect for you just to beat them out in 318 words. They're not doing good, right? And this tells us that they're not using these keywords, or else if they was, they would be considered stuffing, and they would be getting penalized for that. So if we go into the back end of their page, we see that they're ranking for 551 keywords. They have a traffic value of 244 calls or clicks per month to their website exclusively for them. So they're not paying anyone for these leads. This is organic leads that's coming straight to their website, and it's very powerful. But it's going to be easy to beat these guys out. So the first thing, like I said, you want to worry about that content. You want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words. You want to implement buyer intent keywords. An example of keyword is, as I just typed into Google, NJ Gutter Repair or NJ Gutters New Jersey, and you'll see that these guys popped up because they're being ranked for that. Another example is that you have Gutters New Jersey, Gutters Replace New Jersey. This is a brand search right here, all state. That's branded. So Gutter Installation New Jersey, right? But we're not gonna rank for these. We go in here, we just filter it out, and we get the best ones, right? We get the best ones, and we do this from multiple sources. So I guess they're having some difficulty here. Okay. So let me just show you. So you go in here, you get the best ones, you filter it out, and it's gonna come back. You're gonna get some strong Okay, I see that they're having some difficulties with this website. It must be some updates going on. So basically, I have some keywords for you guys already set out. As you can see, these are very powerful. The volume is immense. It's going to be easy to rank for these. And these are different services and different service areas. It's very immense. So you want to use this on your website in order to be found. Just not just besides what Eli Gutters, which is a branded search. It's very important to have this content and these keywords in your on your front page. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations is basically directories on the web, as far as Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yext, all of these and many more. Even Facebook is a directory, and a citation is basically anywhere your name, your business information, name, address, phone number can be listed throughout the internet to add credibility to your business. And Google ranks you for all of this, and it pushes you above your competition. So if your competition has about let's say 50 citations, you want to go out and get 150. You want to beat them, and you want to beat them in every aspect. A way I would go about getting citations is a software. It's about $30 a month, but there are free softwares out there called this one is called whitespark.ca. This is a software I use called Hrefs, and it's consolidated, so I love to use this one. This is a paid software as well. It runs from about $200 to $1,000 a month. This is a very useful software as well, but like I said, there are other free ones out there. So you want to get these citations in order to have that popularity or that trust with Google, and you want to beat your competition in that. So citations, content, citations, and the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and backlinks are very important. So backlinks are basically referring domains of a website on your linking back to your website that's passing it power. So as you can see, these guys right here, they have 49 referring domains, which is not a lot at all. I've seen much more. I've seen up to 500 referring domains and much more. I work with smaller businesses, so and look, although these guys have 49, but they only have 17 that's valid, you're going to come in and beat them out. I guarantee you, if you implement these tips I'm telling you today, you're going to beat them out. I know it seems unbelievable. The traffic is very, very high, but go and put these keywords. They're not targeting them correctly. I'm guaranteed you're going to beat them out. Google algorithm knows what to do when websites are doing things correctly. So this was the value of this audit that I want to show you today. That's why I was so excited for you on the phone. So those are some things to consider. So that's basically what I have for you today. Just a quick recap. I want to talk about the content, the backlinks, the citations. When you add it, another thing to consider is when you add these citations, these backlinks, all citations, backlinks are not created equal. So you want to have backlinks that are relevant to your industry. So anything that's like baseball cards or dunking, it won't be relevant. Another NJ gutter replacement would be relevant to your industry. So you want to go and get that things like that. So usually we go ahead and get that through a copycat method, because if them backlinks are ranking their websites, they'll be easy to rank yours as well. So you have to make sure they're relevant. So just a quick reminder, there are a couple tips regarding content that you can implement when writing your content, like include bolding those keywords, making them visible for Google crawlers. You want to interlink them back to your service pages. You want to basically, and for your service pages, you want to have a minimum of 500 words. You should have keywords in there as well. Citations, just remember they're simply directories on the web, and you want to try to take advantage of these networks to get listed on as many as you can. Last but not least, backlinks, and this will allow you to rank well in search results as well. Just remember, when you have one backlink or many, you just want to look for something that says get a link, a guest post, or blog or post. And what happens is that you're going to receive a link to link back to your website that passes its power. One way I go about getting these backlinks is a tool I call Majestic. It's a paid tool as well, but I'm sure there are tools out there. So, like I said, these are some keywords that I found for you guys. Now, if you just picture that you're getting, let's just say that's a minimum. What I'm seeing here is a minimum of over 1,000 searches. Let's just say out of that 1,000, you're only getting about 600, right? But on a bad day, and it's your absolute worst month, and you're just starting there, and you're getting, and that's 30 extra calls, potential calls that you could be missing out every month. So this is a good strategy to implement if you were looking to grow your business. Like I said, I know you said you're pretty slam, but if you're looking to grow your business, this would be a good way. I appreciate if you have any feedback for me. Just please, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Just thank you for your time, allowing me to shoot this video for you. Take care, brother. I wish you the best.